Think you're saving money every time you fill up? Think again. Most drivers fall for fuel myths that drain their wallets and even damage their engines. And the worst part? They don't even realize it. Today, I'll reveal 5 fuel myths stupid. People still believe, so you can stop burning money and start driving smarter. Myth 1. Premium gas. Myth number 1. Premium gas makes every car run better. Unless your manual specifically requires it, premium won't clean your engine, boost your horsepower, or make you a better driver. It just makes the gas station richer. You're literally paying more for nothing. Myth 2. Topping off. Myth 2. Topping off your tank gets you more fuel. Wrong. All that extra squeeze does is flood the vapor recovery system, which can cost hundreds to repair. And that overflow? It often just evaporates. Translation, you're buying gas for the air around your car. And let's be honest, if you're rocking your car back and forth at the pump trying to fit in a few more drops, you don't look like a fuel wizard. You look like you lost a fight with gravity. Myth 3. Running on empty. Myth 3. Driving on empty saves trips to the pump. In reality, it kills your fuel pump. That pump relies on gasoline for cooling, and when it runs dry, it overheats. A replacement can run $500 to $1,000. That's an expensive price for living on the edge. Myth 4. Idling versus restarting. Myth 4. Idling is cheaper than shutting your car off. That might have been true decades ago. But modern engines are built for quick restarts. Letting your car idle wastes fuel and money. If you're waiting more than 30 seconds, shut it off. Your wallet will thank you. Myth 5. Morning fill-ups. Myth 5. Always fuel up in the morning when gas is cooler and denser. Sounds clever, but it's nonsense. Storage tanks are buried underground where temperatures barely change. Whether it's 7 a.m. or 7 p.m., you're pumping the same fuel. And here's the kicker. These are just 5 of the most common myths. But there's one more mistake, so sneaky that it can cut your fuel economy in half. We'll break that down in an upcoming video, so don't miss it. Here's the truth. Smart drivers don't fall for fuel myths. They turn knowledge into power, saving money, protecting their engines, and driving with confidence. Every dollar you keep in your pocket is one step closer to real financial freedom. If you found this eye-opening, join us here at Auto Repair. Hit subscribe, and every week I'll show you how to outsmart the myths, avoid the traps, and keep more money where it belongs.